Hi friends, my name is Jody Lewis and I am currently residing in the United States. I am also a caregiver and have been a caregiver here for 10 years now, and I'm also an immigrant from the island of Jamaica. When I came to the United States, it was always my ambition to work as hard as I can and to earn enough to send money home to my family, and also to enjoy, the earning and seeing my family, to travel and to be able to save for my golden years and even to save for my dream home. Now, I haven't been able to accomplish that much, and as a result of that, I went searching for better opportunity. And then I stumbled upon a video just like this one that allowed me to actually become my very own digital online business owner. And that's the opportunity that I also want to present to you today, because this online business has allowed me to send money back home to my family in Jamaica. I'm able to travel more, and it has really opened a lot of doors for me, and it can do that for you too. This business it's global, it's legitimate. We pay taxes here in the United States with this business, and it's giving me opportunities that I've never dreamed that I would have. And I want to introduce that to you as well. There's thousands of people who are part of this business, and it's growing each and every day. We're earning and we're happy, and our lives are also being transformed. And I want to introduce that to you as well. All you have to do is just sign up with your information, and then you will have access to a complimentary webinar that will actually introduce you to the business. Take that leap of faith. I did it and I don't regret it. I am now my own online business owner, earning from the comforts of my own home, and I'm able to take the business with me wherever I go because it's global. And I don't want you to sell yourself short. Take advantage of this opportunity. So many people are doing it, and I know that you would want to take advantage of that too. So sign up with your information, watch the complimentary webinar, and I'll see you on the inside. Cheers for now.